National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dane County and south central Wisconsin until 5:45 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Cross Plains, or 7 miles northeast of Mount Horeb, and moving east at 40 miles an hour. Locations affected include Middleton, Waunakee, Madison Capitol Square, Windsor, DeForest, Sun Prairie, Marshall, Shoreland Hills, Maple Bluff, Madison Truax Airport, I-90/94 Interchange, Marksville, Token Creek, East Bristol, and Deansville. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas